Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're out in the veg garden again today. It's early August now, and I've got a few things ready for harvest, mainly potatoes. So I've got 5 tubs of container grown potatoes. I put one seed potato in each 10 litre pot, and the last lot did quite well. So we've got some more of them ready. And over there, the main crop potatoes are now ready, so we'll pull some of them up as well today. So if you're interested in watching me harvest some potatoes, stay tuned. I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay, guys, so these are the container grown potatoes. I just stuck one seed potato in each of these pots. These are the 10 litre flower buckets that the shops use to display their flowers. Sometimes you can find them giving these away in Morrison's or the supermarkets or other places. So we'll be harvesting them. So I've got 5 tubs of them to harvest today. And I'll just take you over there and show you the main crop potatoes that we're also going to pull some of them up today. Okay, so this lot here, this whole massive jungle of foliage is 3 rows of main crop potatoes in here. So I'm thinking I'm just going to take one row out today just to see what they like, because the foliage has started dying back now and all the flowers have turned into these are like potato seeds, but you can't eat these are actually poisonous. But potatoes are closely related to tomatoes and nightshade and stuff like that, so definitely don't eat these, but apparently you can grow the potatoes from the seeds that you get in these. But anyway, so I'm going to do one row of these. So we're going to cut down the foliage first, and then we'll make a start on harvesting the potatoes. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to cut the foliage off. I could probably just pull these out, but I want to see what we got first. And I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to actually harvest them all today. I might leave some in the ground for another day. But once we've got the foliage off, they'll store perfectly fine in the ground for probably a good couple of months. So we remove the foliage, just makes it easier to see what we're up to. And I have got 3 rows here, so I'm only going to take the first row today. Get rid of some of these weeds while we're here. So they do grow rather large, these potato plants. Yeah, it's almost as tall as me. Okay, so I've just pulled up all the foliage, and now I'm going to make a start on harvesting the potatoes. So just go get my fork, and then I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so we're going to start digging these potatoes up now. So I'm just going to dig them up and pile them up next to where they were. So I'll do this first one, and then I'll get the rest done on a time lapse. So hopefully we don't stab any. I'm not sure how many we're going to find under here. Can't actually remember what type they were. There's one. It's small. There's a few on there. Not massive. Doesn't matter. Doesn't look like they've been attacked by anything. That one's gone a bit squishy. That one's no good. Right, so that was a bit disappointing. There should be more under here somewhere. That wasn't very good from the first one, but we got a few. Only little ones there. So we'll try the next one. And we'll see what we get on the next one. If I can get the camera to stand up somewhere. Let's see what's under this one. So there may well be more underneath there. I'll dig it over properly later. We'll get the next one out. These look a bit better. Even the little ones are alright. You can use them for new potatoes, potato salads and stuff. Some of these bigger ones are quite good. This is one with a pink tinge on it. Can't remember what variety they were, but never mind. Take all these little ones as well. And potatoes are a good thing to grow in unprepared ground because they break up the soil quite well and you have to dig them out. So if you've got clay soil, put a few potatoes in there, break up your clay soil a bit. So that was a bit better from that one. And I'll go get the rest dug up. There's not much point in me keep recording the same thing, so we'll dig up. I think I've got about 4 or 5 more plants along there. So I'll set the time lapse up and we'll get them dug up. Okay, so this is what we ended up with from here. A little bit disappointing. Obviously, some of them did better than others. But all in all, not too bad really. Got some nice potatoes. Not a huge amount, but what we did get, pretty good. No pest damage. Accidentally shoved the fork through this one, so well, that'll be one of the first ones we eat. But yeah, quite happy that could have been better. Anyway, I'll take you over and we'll make a start on harvesting the container grown potatoes. Okay, so now we're going to harvest these container grown ones. So again, I'm just going to get rid of the foliage, just because it gets in the way. Chuck that over there. And I'm just going to empty the whole thing out into the wheelbarrow, and we'll see what we got. Always looks a bit disappointing to begin with, but I'm hoping hidden in there will be some nice potatoes. So, there's one. So there's a few. That's the original seed potato. We'll get rid of that. These look like they could have done with a little bit longer, really. So I might leave the rest for now. But I mean, we got a few. A bit small. But so not too bad. I mean, we've got a few little ones which would be good for potato salads. So a few nice new potatoes. Not too bad. But the rest of them I'm going to leave because they weren't ready. So I'll leave the other 4 tubs for now. Okay, guys. So I've just put all the potatoes in the greenhouse for now. I'll show you what we've got at the end. But I'm just going to give this a good old dig over, because no doubt we've missed a fair few potatoes in there. There's probably still quite a lot left in there, so I'll dig over this whole bit and we'll see what else we've got in here. So I'll set up the time lapse to do that. Right, so I've just dug over that. I did find a few more potatoes. Not a huge amount, but we missed a few, so we'll take these over to the greenhouse and add them to what we harvested a minute ago. So this is what we ended up with. So that's not too bad. Probably about 5 or 6 kilograms of potatoes there. So the ones with the pink tinge are the main crops that we harvested from the row, and these on here are from one of these tubs. So just 10-litre tub, 1 seed potato, and that's what we got from it. We did better last time, but I left them a bit longer last time, so I think I needed to leave these a bit longer. So I'll leave the other 4 tubs, and we'll leave the other 2 rows for now, because there's a fair few small ones on here. Over the next few weeks, the little ones will grow a lot more, hopefully. Anyway, guys. Okay, everyone. So that was a partial potato harvest anyway. So like I said, I'm going to leave the rest in for now, let them get a bit bigger, let the foliage die down a bit more. Once it's all died off, then they should be properly ready. We've got enough to tide us over for the next week or two, so we're all good. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know, not particularly exciting, but people do like to see harvests, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you could subscribe, comment and like the video, that'd be great. I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks so much for watching. See you later.